Hello, welcome back. So this session it's about aggregate function in SQL, like min function, max function, count function, average, and sum functions. We'll see how we can use those functions, what those functions, what is the syntax, and the and some use case. Okay, let's see the min and max functions. So when you use min or max function in SQL, min function returns the smallest value of the selected column, and similarly max function returns the largest values of the selected column. Here you can say the syntax of min function. Select, we have to use min. Let me increase the size a little bit. Here we have to use select, then min, and then the column name. You want to apply this min function, so your column name have to be in a bracket, and after from table name and then where condition. Example, select. So if you want to use the min function from our product table, we have a price column. Okay, we can find the minimum price from the product tables. Okay, we can find this one. And similarly, for the max function, we can use select max, the column name from table name, and then where condition. Same way, we can use select max, then the maximum price of the price column from our products table. And you can see after min and max, I use as. You can give a the reason why I use as I will show you. Let's do it here. So I'm saying we'll find the minimum price, the smallest price from the price column in our product table, right? So we'll say select and then min, and what's the column name? Column name is a price, then we'll say from table. You can write it in the same line, or you can go here from the table is products, right? And if we have any other condition, we can put the condition like where condition, right? So let's see. Here we go. You can see the output over here is the 18. So 18 is the lowest price, smallest price in price column from our products table. So you can see in the output the column over here, since this is just a one output from price column, so the output doesn't have over here no column name. There is nothing over here because we just retrieve one single value from the price column. So it's give us the one output with a no column name. So we can give a new column name over here. Okay, that's why we can write over select min price, and we can give a new name. Like to give a new name for a column, we can use as, say, smallest price, as a smallest price. So it will be new name, so that's why we use as keyword, and a smallest price would be the new name of the column. With the output it shows 18. Let's run it. Okay, it's the smallest price. Okay, let's try. Okay, here we go. Like I put a space. It shouldn't be space. Let's try again. Here we go. Now you can say smallest price. Okay, the column name like a smallest price, and then the result it shows under a new column name. Okay, so similarly we can use the max one. We can say select select, and then max function. The max function for the column is price. So let's give a new name as largest price, okay, from products, right? Let's execute F5. You can see largest price is 90. If you see, let's retrieve the product. So in our products table price, we have, you can see the lowest is 18 and largest is 90. It's the same way when we use the min function, we can see the lowest is, so we can run, let's run both together. You can see the smallest is 18 and the largest is 19, as just we have seen from the, that's true, right? So next is, we'll see count, average, and sum function. The count function returns the number of rows that matches a specific criteria. So as I said, like a count function, it's return the number of rows. It will count. See, by the name you can see, it's called count. So definitely it will count whatever the the column we apply this function. So it will count for this column the number of, what will count? The number of rows that matches a specific criteria. So we can use this count function to find the number of rows based on some criteria or condition. We'll see the average function return the average values of a numeric column. In a numeric column, if you have a number like 5 to 8, 9, 10, if you use average on that average function for that specific column, it will give us the average value. Same sum function returns the total sum of a numeric column. Let's see the syntax. For the count, select count, the column name, and then from table, exactly the same type of syntax, and where condition, like we have seen all the other min and max function. So average would be similarly select average column name from table where condition, and the select sum column name from table where condition for the sum too. So let's an example. In our products table, we have product ID. Okay, product ID, it means each and individual, every ID, it's represent one product, right? So because product ID usually it's unique, so individual whatever the product ID, it's number of product. So if you want to find how many product we have, we can use the count function in product ID column. Based on some specific condition, we can use condition like where price is 18, so we can find total number of products we have where the price is 18. We can find the total number of product. Same we can use for the average. Let's see the count one. So we'll use select count function. What column name? Column name is, let me see again, okay, here you can say this is the product ID column, right? It is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the individual product ID for individual product. You can say product name. Here is the price. We can see that how many product we have when price is 18. That's what we're going to find. So we'll say count. Definitely we'll use the product ID column, so that it can the count function can apply on product ID to find out how many based on our condition. So I will say product ID, count product ID, and then from what table? We'll say from products table, right? Products table. And what's the condition? Condition is where price equals to 18, right? Let's see. F5. Here's a 1. Okay, is there any two products for any values? 50, 90? No, there is no. Okay, so anyways, that's a way we can use the count function. Similarly, if you want to find the average function for the price, so we have a price, we can find the average price of this price column. So we can say same way, select AVG, then average will apply to the price column, and then from, what's the table name? From, say, table name products, right? F5, you can say 44. So 44 is the average of the price column. Okay, next is sum. So we'll use again sum. The same thing we can use. We can do the sum function for the price column. So here we'll just write sum function will apply on the price column from products. Okay, we can, if you want, you can use sum as also, you can give it, because we know, you can see for the average there is no column name, so we can say as total sum. Okay, total sum, you can see total sum is 177, is the sum of the sum of the price column. Okay, so pretty much that's it about all the aggregate function. Okay, so that's all the aggregate function, and in our next class, next tutorial, we'll see some, another statement is called order by and group by statement in SQL. Okay, thank you so much. Hope stay tuned and you enjoy the tutorial. Bye.